Okay, riveting, prescribing, day number 2. So yesterday I finished the elevators. They are ready for assembly. The model will be equipped by the lighting set, so I need only to prepare the small tiny holes for the fiber optics for the formation lines. Once I will carry on, you will see the progress. Okay, so next step I took today was that from basically this, you can see it's pretty flat, and this is not finished yet. I made something which looks like this. Okay, so you can see all the panel lines prescribed and ready for riveting. So honestly, I can say that you can clearly see what is better. Okay, so based on the things which we have, let's say, on the drawing, I transfer everything from the drawing to the part, and now I know it's pretty time consuming, but the let's say final look will be just fantastic. So this means that you probably think that I was playing just with the one half. No. Here are also ready the bottom parts, and as I said, I will start with riveting on the bottom. But these parts are, I would say, larger than the elevators. So what I will do first is that I'll redraw all the lines. I will do this one as well today. So I redraw all the lines, and maybe tomorrow I will do the riveting on all 4 halves. Okay, so once this will be completed, I will carry on with the fuselage. So the fuselage is, I would say, one of the most complicated, so I will leave it as a last. So that's all, folks, for now. Talk to you later. What I would like also to say is that when you see the drawing in here, so you have here hot air outlets. Okay, so these, you can see that there are plenty of panel lines. But if you compare with the smooth surface on the model, the rescribing also gives you the opportunity to improve your model. So basically from this, I transform it to this. Okay, so you can see that it's now accordance the drawing, and really if you take the patience and the hours needed for the rescribing and riveting, the reward will be just amazing. You will see after first airbrush, and then when you will be applying the coatings, it will be just amazing. Okay, this is day number 3. As you can see, all the wings halves are ready for riveting. I know it's very time consuming, but as I mentioned before, it will be perfect result, and I'm very looking forward to it. Okay, so you can see right here, so I'm leaving the riveting for the last moment because it will be pretty fast, but the most, as I said, consuming is the preparation. And now I would like to show you something else. This is the fuselage. Okay, hold on a sec, let me prepare the table, and here it is. Okay, so as you can see, I already started with rescribing the panel lines, and this is what I would like to show you. So I'm currently in the position of here, so you can see that the area which needs to be rescribed is here. So I take the demo tape, place it right here, and just describe the panel line to pair the drawing. Okay, here we go. Yes. So once you remove it, you can see clearly the difference. Okay, so this is rescribed panel line, and this is not rescribed. what I'm trying to do now is to reproduce all the panels in the nose section. They are pretty in correct position, so just you need to apply the demo tape along here and just rescribe the line, okay? And then once it's completed, you just draw the rivet lines which are along the panel lines, and this will be easy. The bottom part in here needs just to take the demo tape, yes, right here, and just do it like this again, okay? One, and here is two. I'm not just doing it straightforward, because once you will be assembling the halves, you need to rescribe over the halves, but you need to first sand it and polish it, and afterwards apply the riveting. This will be exactly the same right here. So here is the long panel line, straightforward, and I'm finishing all the riveting and rescribing here. Once this will be completed, I will draw the lines along here and just finish the panel lines and the riveting. Fairly easy. Of course, time consuming. Let's carry on. Okay, few minutes later, I finished the basic rescribing. So you can see that basically it's finished, but I mess up in I think three places. So here, and then here and here. So what you can see is the black instant glue, black because there are small tiny pieces of rubber. So I fill it in. I use accelerator for quick drying, and a few minutes later I will sand it and polish it, and this helped me to remove the, let's say, mistakes, and then I will rescribe over here one more time. Otherwise it's pretty fine. So you can see that I remove a couple of lines which are not on the drawing, and I correct the areas which are, let's say, on the drawing. So now I need just to take a glue and pass through the lines and start drawing the rivet lines. Alrighty, let's carry on. Okay, so as you can see, it is finished. I fixed the line. Now it's not much visible, but it's fixed, and all the panel lines are cleaned after the sanding and polishing. So now only take the riveter and start drawing the lines for the riveting. Okay, so riveting remaining, but first I will do the second half, so both halves will be rescribed, and then we will carry on.